Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 investment strategies for 2024. With the market constantly changing, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. We're going to be covering some killer strategies that can help you build serious wealth, no matter what the market throws your way. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned investor, this video has something for you. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just me sharing what's worked for me and what I'm seeing in the market. Make sure you do your own research and maybe even talk to a professional before making any big investment decisions. First up, we're talking diversification. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, the same goes for your investments. You don't want to be that person who put their life savings into one stock, only to have it tank overnight. Instead, spread your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, even maybe a little bit of gold. That way, if one area of the market takes a hit, you're not completely wiped out. It's like having a financial safety net. Think about it like this. Would you rather bet your entire savings on one hand of poker or spread it out over multiple games? Diversifying your portfolio is all about managing risk and protecting your hard-earned money. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, let's talk tech. Look around you. Technology is everywhere and it's only getting bigger. From artificial intelligence to electric vehicles, the tech sector is full of companies that are changing the world and have the potential for massive growth in 2024 and beyond. Now, I'm not saying you need to go all in on some obscure tech startup, but having a portion of your portfolio in established tech companies or ETFs that track the tech sector can be a smart move. Remember to do your research. Look for companies with solid fundamentals, a strong track record, and a competitive edge in their industry. Investing in tech might seem intimidating, but it's one of the best ways to capitalize on the future. Chapter 3. Real estate, the OG investment that still holds up. Let's move on to a classic investment, real estate. Now I know what you're thinking, real estate is expensive. And yeah, it can be, but it's also one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. Think about it, people will always need a place to live, right? That means rental income is a pretty reliable source of cash flow. Plus, real estate tends to appreciate in value over time, so you're looking at potential gains when you sell. You can invest in rental properties, flip houses, or even explore REIT's real estate investment trusts, which are like mutual funds for real estate. The key here is to do your homework, understand the local market, and be prepared to put in some work. Chapter 4. ESG investing. Do good, make money. Yes, it's possible. Now let's talk about investing with a conscience. ESG investing. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. Basically, you're investing in companies that are doing good for the world. Think renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, companies focused on diversity and inclusion. You get the idea. Now you might be thinking, isn't investing all about making money? And you're right, it is. But here's the thing. ESG investing isn't just about feeling good. It's actually a smart financial move. More and more investors are demanding companies be socially responsible, and those companies are attracting more capital and outperforming their peers. It's a win-win. You get to make a positive impact with your money and potentially see some great returns. Chapter 5. Cryptocurrency, high risk, high reward. Finally, let's talk about the wild world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. It seems like everyone's talking about crypto these days. Now, I'm not going to lie, crypto is volatile, like really volatile. It can be a roller coaster ride, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. But it also has the potential for massive returns. Just look at what Bitcoin has done over the past few years. If you're considering dipping your toes into the crypto waters, make sure you understand the risks. Start small, maybe allocate a small percentage of your portfolio, and be prepared to hold on for the long haul. Crypto is still in its early stages, but it's definitely a space to watch in 2024. Outrow, invest in your future. Start building wealth today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategies as the market changes. Most importantly, do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy investing!